Do you need a new roof? Would it be helpful to know the condition of your roof and how long you can expect it to do its job and protect your home? Every year, hundreds of thousands of residential shingled roofs are installed, but surprisingly, only a fraction of them are legitimately warrantied. That's right, 9 out of 10 roofs installed cannot pass a simple manufacturer's inspection, leaving you, the unsuspecting homeowner, with an unwarranted, unprotected, and unsafe roof over your family's heads. Of the thousands of roofing contractors in the marketplace, how can you possibly find, vet, and confidently select the one that has the ability and the integrity to do the job right? It's like finding a needle in a haystack. This is a case where the wrong decisions can end up costing you thousands more than the actual purchase of the roof itself. Where can you turn and who can you trust? Website reviews stacked with paid-for content? Fabricated website testimonials or a long list of pre-selected, satisfied customers? Maybe, but maybe not. How is this for a solution? Consider a family and veteran-owned company that's willing to invest in you before they ask you to invest in them. Consider New Life Property Restoration. NLPR starts with a completely free, no gimmicks, NACHI certified roofing system inspection, recognized and accepted by both mortgage companies and insurance companies alike. This 20-point comprehensive inspection is completed by trained inspectors, not salesmen, estimators, or canvassers. You need reliable information to make an informed decision on how to best care for your home and your family. At New Life, we know that the roof is more than just a pretty hat that sits atop your home. It's a component that's interconnected with the rest of your home systems, affecting the entire structure's performance. This complimentary evaluation, valued at $250, is our investment in you and our opportunity to earn credibility and establish professionalism through personal experience, not just someone else's word. Every NLPR UltraGuard roofing system starts with a certified inspection. Then the materials are meticulously installed according to the manufacturer's specifications, local building codes, and NRCA best practices. We complete the project just how we started it, with a certified inspection. In addition, we are so confident in our workmanship that we will inspect your home every year afterward for as long as you own it for free, providing you peace of mind for life. The NLPR UltraGuard Roofing System gives you what you desire and deserve. Imagine the pride you'll feel with this beautiful, premium, certified roofing system when your neighbors gaze with envy. Instantly increase your home's marketable resale value. Enjoy savings by lowering your monthly energy usage. Feel safe knowing your family is protected from harmful mold that can form in attics resulting from improper roof installation. Discover the security of having a lifetime, no-hassle warranted roof. The NLPR UltraGuard Roofing System is lifetime labor warranted, leak-proof guaranteed, and once more, inspected free annually for as long as you own your home. Need a new roof now, but you haven't saved for it? We can help. Not sure what you need, but want to know? We can help. Do you think you may have damage caused by extreme weather, but don't trust storm chasers and their relentless knocking on your door? We can help. Choosing the right roofing general contractor doesn't have to be a game of roulette. There is no need for it to be stressful, time-consuming, or aggravating. Now is the time to get the trustworthy help you deserve from a reputable, thoroughly vetted, family and veteran-owned company which has served the market since 1999 with a simple mission: pursue excellence in every endeavor and give you a better tomorrow. It's time for New Life. Don't wait. Call us now.